Okay. So the path is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, PM and CS. There will be maintenance service processing. And there will be maintenance and service notification. Yes, maintenance and service notification. And we will start with notification creation. So we need to define the notification type. So we need to just click on notification type. So business will inform you that which type of notification they want. Basically, if you see M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, these are all standard notifications. Yeah. So some industry want standard and some industry want customize. Customize means it will start with Z or T or whatever as per their requirement. So if you see there are some ZPM service notification, ZJ, ZI. So for training purpose, some people have ZU. So I think Z2 is not there. So we will start with new notification with Z2. So basically, in standard, what consultant will do, they will click and here copy. So they will just copy and change the name M2 to Z2. But in our case, let's see without copy, we will proceed. And if we get any error, then we will start copying. Otherwise, let's start from the scratch. So just click on new notification, enter Z2. So it will be okay, repair request or repair maintenance or general maintenance notification we can say, or okay, no issue. Repair request is also okay. So this will be request notification for repair. Okay. So notification origin. So it will be general maintenance notification. So what is the reference time? So there will be reference time means when malfunction start or when notification you receive, no malfunction end. So at what point of time system will start the reference time? So in our case, once notification received, the times will be start to perform the activity. And catalog profile. So basically, these are the catalog profiles which will comes in the notification. So there are, we will keep our standard general catalog profile. Okay, so everything is good. So we will just save this. Okay, there is an update group. Okay, process is not required as of now. Okay. So we'll just click on save. Okay, yes. Okay. So update group, it is asking update group. So basically, this is PMIS. PMIS. So I will tell you once we start, you will see how the screen will update with this updated group. So basically, it's plant maintenance information system PMIS group we have selected. Okay, and we will see. Okay, data was saved. So this is our repair request notification. I will save. I will go back. Once I click here, just position Z2, enter. You will see category has been updated with repair request. So we have created notification. So just go back and we will start set screen template for notification. So basically what is meant by template? So /OIW23. I will just open one notification for your reference. Okay, so here notification, here the catalog profile damage cause part, it will update in our notification. This is reference object. This is screens. Okay, so we will modify, we will develop our own screen as per customer requirement. This is M1 notification. So let's start. Set screen template for notification type. So basically, this is the most important activity needs to be performed at the time of implementation. Okay. So what is work area? So we need to select from which tab to which tab. So I will just select tab, or from first I will select, this is my first tab to, this is my up to this tab. This is my work area and it is for my notification J2. So I am right now starting to adapt the screens. Okay. So basically new entries. So if you see here, this notification, this is reference object, responsibility, subject, item. So it's come under one screen. This comes under second. This sorry, not a screen, tab. First tab having 1, 2, 3, 4 screen. Second tab having 1, 2 screen. Third tab having start, end, breakdown. Fourth tab location, account assignment, and fifth tab reported by like this. So this is one of the screen. So just /IW29. I need to see what has updated for M2 notification. So just go 29, select M2, and execute. Okay, so breakdown notification. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 tabs are there and different screens are there. So let me start with new entry. In new entry, function and activity category. Okay. So basically activity category, no need to update as of now. Okay. So I will just select the tab. So my first tab will be notification. So as of now, no need to maintain the header also. And this is the tab. Okay. Once you select the tab, enter, you will see screen 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do you want to update in up to 5 screen? You can select in one tab. Okay. If you see in standard reference object, responsibility, subject, these 3 screens are there. So I will add, okay, maintenance, malfunction date. Okay, 5 screen they have updated. So let's start. So in our case, let me check. Okay, I will select reference object, responsible parties. It's totally depend upon the business requirement. For training purpose, we can select some thing. So, and we will see how it's going to update. So 4, we have updated, just press enter. So reference object, responsible parties, subject long text, item. We have taken that 4. Okay. Now just go back. Okay. Then again go for second screen. Second tab. So the second tab will be additional data. Okay. What is your second tab? It's the reference object. We will select additional data. Okay. And here we will give it name as a reference object. Okay. Additional data, we will give name as a reference object. Again, this is the tab. Okay. And what are the screens are there? Start and date and function partner. So partner data. So we will do one thing. We will check where is the start and end. Okay. This is start and end. And where is the partner? Partner overview. Okay. So just enter, just to go back. So two screen we have created. So just to go, what is the third screen? System availability. Okay. Location data. Okay. They have not updated malfunction data. Okay. No issue. Just click on here category. Okay. Malfunction data is there. This is the tab, and we will not update subscript. So this is the malfunction data. Okay. Just to go back. Oh, yes. Okay. So up to 3 tabs we have done. Let's start with 4. So again, we will check for some location. We will select the location data, and it's also tab. So location tab we are creating. So same new entries we will make with some other, means date, item, task, which are just we need to update. Okay, 6 is there. Just I will go back. One more entry. 6 we have done. Okay, 7. It's a tab. Enter. Go back. 7 we have taken. Okay. Okay, 7 taken. Let's the item. Okay, we will select the item. Okay, go back. Up to item we are there. Item, task, and activity. Task and activity. We will select the activity also. Okay. Yeah. Item, task, and activity. So let's see up to how many screens we have modified. Okay. So right now, what we will do, we will include the subscreen for this item, task, cause, and activity. Okay, we will add some subscreen. So just let me save this, go back, again go inside, and screen area will be this. Start with 20. So item overview. Once I execute, you will understand. Okay. So in new entry again, just select item overview. This is the tab. Enter. Go back. Okay. Item thoughts. Just go back. So we are good here. Up to this, we are good. So let me check. So all that fields for 20 we have created. Let me go inside. Okay. No need right now. Yes, I will exit. Okay, so let's start with second.
Okay.
Let me check one more time if we have selected this, and I will select last one. Just I will cross verify. Okay, we have one. Okay, so all that steps we have updated.
Okay.